good rainy day in the evening, and right now I'm in Shumaga. I just came here to meet my wife, and I just thought of going for a short spin. I just came here, which is near to my wife's house, almost 5.5 or 6 kilometers from the town. So I'm here at this river, which comes all the way from the Gajnur Dam. Approximately from here it is 20 kilometers, I believe. And I've not come in my Himalayan. I've just come in the moped. That's it. I have my friend here, so she has taken me here to this place, and it's pretty good, relaxing. After lockdown, I've not been to any places because, I just in my previous vlog, I was really not well. I was really sick, and this vlog, we got to see a lot of things. We are trying to go for one more dam also, if it is possible, if the time permits, and if it's not raining, we'll really go there. It's raining from morning, from almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's not stopped. This is how the spots looks like. Just look at the view. This is the place where the river starts. God, it's raining. Starts, and this is how it goes. And this will reach till I think so this will go to Hospet. So in the middle, we may not get anything to eat. So what we'll be doing is, we'll go get some snacks and we'll leave. So welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing absolutely fantastic. So guys, we're about to start a new ride again. Got some snacks as well, and I'm all alone, so I'm opening up my mask. Feels so amazing without the mask. Leaving towards, I'll show you in the go. Where am I actually going? So hope you'll enjoy the ride. So this is a continuation of the part 1, Shumaga. The time is now 12 o'clock. In the afternoon, exactly 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and 86 kilometers from the place where I'm actually staying. It's my wife's house. So this is my GoPro setup, new setup again. I've changed the place where I just kept the GoPro, so you can see me now. I can tilt it in this direction, and you can see me vlogging as well. Some snacks on the way. We'll have some snacks and we'll leave. I'm all alone, so I'm not wearing the mask. Anybody who's going out, do wear the mask. Checking up my camera as well. Sorry, I've connected my GoPro to my mobile so that I can check what is the view, what is the viewing angle. I'm checking that. So very good. Camera is really good. GoPro has got this very good advantage. So the ride is so far so good, guys. Can you see? I just stopped here to take some pics. Pretty amazing, isn't it? I just love this, man. The spot is really good. So I just forgot to bring my tripod. So this is the way I need to vlog. I'll go a bit slow because I'll fill up the content, I'll move. So must, seatbelts are must. In every vlog I say this, seatbelts and helmets are must. Make sure that you'll be really wearing all those. I've switched on my GoPro as well, and this side, half of the screen you can see the road view, half the screen you can see mine. So elaborating things well. As I just told you, I'm planning Ladakh. It's not happening from past 2 years. No worries, let's not lose hope. let's have the hope that we'll definitely reach that goal. More 56 kilometers to reach the destination. This out. Lotus are like anything. I can see hundreds of lotus out there. I really hate Ghats. No, why? Because wow, water! Look at that, man. There is a big content here. You can't see through GoPro, or you can't see through my phone or any camera. I think that's Joke Falls. Man, allow me to drive, allow me to go. Joke Falls 2 kilometers, yes. I'm entering Joke Falls as of now. It's GoPro again. I don't know what glitch is this. He even signaled me, one of the persons signaled me they're not allowing inside. Guys, I was fined with 500 rupees. That was the problem again, because they're not allowing inside, as they just told me. There's one more spot we can go, which you can see there. I'll show you towards that point. You can see the houses there. I can't see in the camera, I believe. There are some houses. People are there, but they're not allowing from this side to go. We'll try to go from that side. Okay, this is the spot. This is how it looks. It just looks marvelous. It is just looking amazing. I'll show you from the back camera. Heading towards Joke Falls from other side. So the place which I went belongs to Shimoga district. Now which I am heading towards belongs to Uttar Kannada district. So they are allowing us here. We'll go in this direction. Place the car here and we'll start moving. Nobody's here, nobody's there to stop us. I've got 5 minutes to see this. I'm in Uttar Kannada district so that I can see things from here. That is the only option we have got. Guys, I'm here. Look at the view now. You can see that is the point where it will be always regularly allowed to go inside, but they're not allowing us from that direction to see. But one more you can see here, that is the main advantage of this. Not only that Raja Rani roller rocket of 4 members who are there, not only those 4, apart from that you can see a lot of things from here. You can visit from August, that is the best time to visit. Can you see now how good it is? How good it is looking. I think this is the best viewpoint here, which is amazingly good. And this is the guest house. But the point is, it's really humid here. Not hot, it's humid.